Hi, and welcome back, paper crafting friends. Today I have all the new Dash covers. So these mainly focus on travel, and I just wanted to give you a small walkthrough. So Dash is a spiral scrapbooking notebook, and it has 25 pages or enough to do 50 layouts. It is 7 by 10 in size, 1-inch coil spiral, and it is cardstock weight. So this is really nice heavyweight paper. You can stamp on it. You're not going to get bleed through or ghosting or anything like that. Plus it can really withstand the weight of stickers and embellishments and different things. I tend to keep mine with more flat items, patterned papers, and die cuts and things like that. But the paper is really nice and thick and very, very smooth. All right, so this is the first cover, sticking with the words. I love this one: sun, travel, escape, relax, explore, adventure, family memories, and vacation. So really non-specific and general. This one as well, the icons, this one's very popular. I'm going to be using this one. And they are all the same, they have all the same layouts. So the same 18 different designs are in all of the notebooks. This one is for New York City. I love this one because I live closer to New York City and I do lots of trips into the city. So for me, this is going to be a lot of different day trips. And then Florida. Florida is a place that we go to all the time. And I just love this fun, bright, colorful cover. And it's good for Disney or Harry Potter or Discovery Cove or any of the, most popular Florida tourist spots. We happen to love Sanibel and a lot of the beaches in Destin. And this is sort of the companion to this because Florida trips tend to, um, I have a lot of pictures for my Florida trips. So I thought probably one notebook won't be enough. So I can do my first notebook, or my cover notebook will be the Florida one. And then the rest of the photos and stories can go in this one, so they coordinate. They both don't say Florida, so I don't then end up with two that are exactly the same, but I kind of like the bright sunny feel of this too. So this one, of course, is totally generic. You could use this for anything. And I think there's one more cover that I don't have here. It's little flowers, little Scandinavian type flowers or style flowers in these colors as well. I have one more cover coming. It didn't come in this batch, and it is a Hawaii theme. So it says Aloha, and it looks pretty much exactly like this, but it's in shades of blue and aqua. All right, so those are the new notebooks that are in my Etsy shop right now. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the one that I've started. This is the one I'm going to be working on probably for the next month or so. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this up in the next couple of weeks. So I chose this generic vacation icons because I don't think I have enough pictures from our Vegas trip, maybe not, to fill up an entire notebook, but I figured I could just continue it with another trip. I like this notebook too for day trips. All right, so my first opening page is this beautiful picture of the strip. Now I printed this out at home at 7 by 10, and then I used the mini cinch. So here's my mini cinch. And here are the rectangles. This is the cartridge that comes with the mini cinch. So this rectangle shape and the pitch, or the spacing in between the holes, matches the Dash notebook perfectly. So I printed out this picture of the strip, and also on Google Images I found this map and I printed out this map. I glued both photos together, then I punched the holes with the mini cinch, and then I'll show you. What you end up with is something like this, and then I used a scissor to cut a little slit at the center of each rectangle, and then I can insert it in my Dash. And I do this for all of my inserts. So this photo is my opener. Like I said, it has the date on it, where we went to. This was, as soon as you walked out of our hotel, this was a view we saw over and over again. So I really wanted to remember that. And I kept it really simple. Just some, well, as simple as Las Vegas gets, right? So some really gold sparkly alphabet stickers that I've had forever. I love these. They're glitter, but the glitter does not come off, which is really important to me. Really large Vegas and then a smaller LAS for spacing. This is an old chipboard that I've had forever. I just wanted to add a little pop of blue because we have blue here and I wanted to repeat it here and sort of break up the title and then the little bit of journaling that I did on the bottom. All right, the back side of the picture is another photo. Like I said, I got this from Google Images. I love this for any trip, any city. If you're doing Disney World, if you want to do one of these for each of the parks, one of the Magic Kingdom, one of Epcot, Animal Kingdom, on and on. It's a really great idea. So I used geotags to mark the spots where we stayed. This was our hotel, the Cosmopolitan. We had dinner, our anniversary dinner at the Eiffel Tower. We did a lot of touring and we saw a show at the Bellagio. And then towards the end of our stay, stayed and moved over to the Mandalay Bay for some peace and quiet. The journaling I did on this tag, I stamped it with Wander Far, Wander Wide. This is a Carrie Bradford stamp. And then just did the journaling on the second half on the clear label sticker paper. This isn't a mistake. I just needed to block that for privacy issues. On the map, I used label stickers and same thing. That tiny bit anniversary dinner at the Eiffel Tower, I printed that out on the clear label sticker paper and then placed that on there. I know there's ways to print right on your labels, but sometimes I just don't want to mess with the fussiness of that, and I find the clear label paper so much easier. Let me see if I can give you a close-up view because they are puffy, and then the enamel dot in the center I feel gives it a little bit of texture to an otherwise pretty much digital page. And I did different colors, but stayed within the color scheme of the map, which is a little bit lighter. And then my second page is about the hotel we stayed at. So here there's lots of purple, lots of color in this in these photos. So I kept the rest of it very nice and cool with just a little bit of an aqua and a lime green because I thought those colors would complement the purple in the photos without overwhelming it. Most of it came from the little martini glass. I know it's the Cosmopolitan, but it's the closest I could get, and I thought the martini was just very Vegas. A little bit of a ticket, and I didn't use this area exactly the way the notebook is set up. There are 4 boxes here, but I kind of flipped them. I did 2 photos. I did a 3x4 journaling card that I tucked under. A tiny bit of journaling here with my ticket, kind of underlining our photo. And then this is kind of my favorite part. I have so many of these stickers, these types of stickers, these strip stickers. So if you have a big collection, this is a great place to use them. Don't feel you need to use the box just for a photo. You could use it for all your little embellishments like this. I especially love when they come, these strip stickers come in different colors. And this is a beautiful color palette right here. So you can see that I got these stickers right from this sheet, and I just stuck with the colors in the martini. So I used the light green, darker green, and then this beautiful pale shade of aqua. All right, I think that's all I have for today. I'm really excited about getting started on this project. Oh, one other thing, for organization, like what stories am I going to tell? I went through my photo roll, and these 6 stories or these 6 photos that I found in my camera are the first 6 that I'm going to work on. So I like to keep them in the back of the book. So this was the Cosmopolitan. There was a couple of things that I wanted to remember. The hotel, the chandelier, a map of the strip, and lots of the color purple. So that helps me with my planning a little bit. And this was on this page, so I knew to save it for this layout. The next one I'm going to do is probably the tour of the strip, but I could go through here and go, okay, here's my planning stage. I'm going to do the tour of the strip here. I'm going to do maybe Starbucks and shopping here. This is a nice big double page. Maybe I'll do the gondola ride on both of these because I have so many pictures of the gondola ride. And the best of the Ubers. So many great Uber stories from Vegas. They were so interesting. I don't want to forget that. I don't have many pictures, but I don't want to forget the story. But this is Cirque. And I'm probably going to need more. Yeah, this is probably good for Cirque du Soleil because I have a lot of pictures of that too. But that's a little peek at my process and how I work. This makes it easier for me so that when I actually get some time to print out photos and start the design process, I already have an idea of where this book is going. And really, I can go through my camera roll and do every single page and kind of plan it out a little bit because I'm looking at my camera roll, I'm looking at how many pictures I have and how many squares I have in my dash, and I can kind of plan ahead. Okay, that's it. That's the beginning of my Las Vegas story. I will be back next week and I will share my progress with you. Thank you so much for watching, joining, buying the dash, and supporting me. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you next time.